Are you frequently dealing with health issues or having trouble focusing that is impacting your academic or professional life? You have aimed for a dream job, but at the very end point, and a health problem has kept you from doing that job or from going for that job. The health problems are not letting you progress academically, professionally. And the problem doesn't end here. You are suffering from an inherent lack of focus that is impacting a lot of things. Despite your will to move ahead, lack of focus is creating a lot of problems in your life. What if I tell you your astrological chart is not the only problematic thing here? What if I tell you this is not just a result of your astrological cycles, but your karmic impressions are also at fault here? Some karmic debt that is resulting in all of these problems. And what if I tell you at Hirapur, where I'm standing now in the outer wall, Ma here, Katyayani number 3 or Ma Chandraghanta has the solution to your problems. Now let us look at her carefully. If you see here, she is Ma Chandraghanta, Katyayani number 3. We can see that she is standing in a Tribhanga pose, and an attendant here is holding an umbrella over her head. She is holding a knife or a katari, and in this hand, she is holding a skull cup. And here, she is standing over the severed head of Rakta Bija. Unlike the previous Katyayani, Skandamata, in this case, the jackal and the dog are sitting on either side looking attentively at her. In Tantra, all of this has a meaning. When they could not provide us verbatim 1,000 years back, they left clues. Clues that would help us understand what they wanted to see. And everything in Tantra has a purpose. Her standing here over the head of Raktabija signifies the ability of Ma to dissolve the problems that keep on multiplying in life. Here, she is holding a katari. And this is very, very important. Chandraghanta can be seen holding the knife in one hand and a skull cap on the other hand. In Tantra, her holding of the katari signifies targeted severing. Targeted severing meaning specific knots, bindings, entanglements. Now, the binding or entanglements can be psychological knots in the form of habitual fear responses that are not letting you move ahead. Looping thoughts. You're trying to do something, but one thought is again and again coming in your mind, and that overthinking is not letting you move ahead. Energetic knots. When your chest feels tight for no reason, there is some sort of restless agitation, emotional heaviness that is interfering in your patterns or your day to day lives or your academics, and that is creating a hazard. That is what Ma Chandraghanta can cut. Her holding of this knife signifies the cutting of psychological knots before they move forward or can spread even deeper in your life. When we see that she's holding the kapala, then it signifies her ability to make sure that the residual negativity is contained there and it cannot come back to your system. See, even after a problem is gone, you carry the effects of that system. There is some sort of ego, some sort of residual agitation, some sort of anxiety relating to the trauma that you just faced. And Ma Chandraghanta makes sure that her kapala keeps all this residual negativity and does not let it impact your life. The attentive dog here signifies protective vigilance. If we look at here, the attentive dog here, it signifies protective vigilance. And the attentive jackal here signifies the removal and digestion of your karma. So it does not come to bite you. Now, will we say that does she magically transform our lives? No, she does not magically transform our lives, but she does help in settling the bitterness, in settling the residual impacts so that it does not come back to haunt you. Her Kripa mantra is Om Devi Chandraghantai Namaha. And Friday is the best day to worship her. Worshipping her or taking her Kripa mantras 108 times on Friday ensures that your residual knots are removed and you get the peace and you retain your focus that you had lost. Now, while Ma Chandraghanta can help you remove the lack of focus from your lives, if you're still going through a career crisis and not able to decide where to go next, then the video above regarding Ma Shitara can help you make the choice better. This video will give you 5 core lessons that will help you take the right decision and choose the right path. Now, this video was all about Katyayani number 3 or Chandraghanta. If you are dealing with Rahu related issues, then Katyayani number 4, about whom we have discussed in the next video, can be helpful to you.